La 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 la, yeah.
UFM Music
105.5.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For the past 17 hours, you have been listening to DWDU FM 105.5 megahertz, a commercial FM radio station broadcasting from Clark Freeport Zone, Philippines. UFM 105.5 is owned and operated by the Reliance Broadcasting Unlimited. Its studio is located at Com Clark Building, M.A. Rojas Highway, Clark Freeport Zone. UFM 105.5 has a power output of 5,000 watts. The transmitter is located at Clark FM Hill, Clark Freeport Zone. UFM 105.5 is maintained and operated by the following personnel, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Stephen T. Caraan, professional electronics engineer with ECE license number 0000602. First class radio telephone operator Gilbert T. Asidera with license number 2K-1PICAR-24747. Electronics technician Kyla Monique M. Hernandez with PRC license number 0025440. UFM 105.5 is now signing off.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bagaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw na